Hello guys, in this video we are gonna add a PayPal payment gateway in our WordPress. So it's really simple right here and let's get started. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to your settings and then right here from settings you want to go to the PayPal account. So you want to go to the live account and then of course you want to actually use your payment action as a sale and as default. From there you will have to select also the other settings that you want to right here. So we would want it maybe just something like this. It's the most useful version or just this plain PayPal and then you can save the settings from there. You also have your cancel URL and return URL. So you can choose from 18 languages from there. And for this to work, it's pretty simple. So you want to go to the WordPress content editor and then look for short code and then add the following short code right here. It's called this right here. So you can pause this video and you can type this in if you want to. So from there, you will have to replace the name, price, and alignment by the values of your choice, of course. So you will have to edit the name, which is this car, the price, and the alignment if you want it left, right, or center. So now you can buy this car in the center because we have made it center instead of left right here. And basically that's how you add it right there. It'll redirect to the login of PayPal so that you'll be or they will be credited to do the sale, and it's just that simple. So there you go guys, that is how you add a PayPal gateway payment into WordPress, and it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.